I wanted to do a little quick video on this headlight, which underneath doesn't look bad, but they put this film protector, and what happens is with time, all the edges get full of junk. Put it here really close to where you can see. You can see how it gets dirty. It's got dirt, grime, you name it. And it's just not ideal for cleaning. So I'm going to be taking this off, and you can see the process already, but you can see the residue underneath. I'll have to take that off. I just saw a video, take it off with mineral spirit, and once it's clean, then we'll do a headlight restoration, and then I've already ordered the headlight new film, which will last much longer. You can see here all these starts to turn different color, orange. This is just from the old stuff from back in the days. Now it's much easier. So again, I'll put you here. You can see a little bit of that. Go along with me as I take it off. Take your time to do it. You definitely don't want to damage anything. Definitely suggest you wear a glove. Big difference between a protected film and a protector. It's much thicker. It's about 10 mil. Key to this is take your time. Don't rush anything. Pressure of your hand, it'll come off slowly by itself. That's basically the process. I'm not going to show you the other one because it's the same process, but I will show you how I end up taking off all that gunk and clear it. And there that goes. Using a heat gun, of course, so you can see. So again, I'm just showing you the other side. Again, following the last video, you can see what it was left like. I'm going to clean it up and then come here. But I just wanted to show you a little bit more detail from the last video, what happens underneath here. And of course, this was something that was done to this car prior to me purchasing it. So I have no clue what happened before me, but I just want to make sure that I make it right now that it's with me. You can see, again, trying to focus here. You can see all the grime and stuff gets onto that. You can't clean that. No matter how much you want to clean it, you can't. It's not going to happen. So that's why we're taking it off.